Guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with this new video, and this new video is all about how to test your A1. Yes guys, in this video we're gonna learn if you have completed your A1 or someone has completed the A1, then how we can test it, how we can actually examine that yes, we are done with the A1 level and we can go to the next level. So in this video you're gonna see that. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Gyan. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go!
How to test your German A1 level. First, understand what A1 level is. So according to the CEFR language framework, A1 is the beginner's level. At this level, you should be able to understand and use basic everyday expressions, introduce yourself, ask and answer simple questions, talk about familiar topics like family, work and hobbies. And if you can do these things, you are likely at A1 level. Test 1. Check if you can introduce yourself. You should be able to say basic information about yourself. For example, Ich heiße Rahul. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ich lerne Deutsch. If you can speak or write 5 to 6 sentences like this, you probably have basic A1 level speaking. Test 2. Basic vocabulary. At A1 level, you should know around 500 to 700 German words. Typical vocabulary topic includes family, food and drink, numbers, days and months, hobbies and professions. If you recognize most basic words, you are on the right track. Test 3. Basic grammar. You should understand simple grammar topics like present tense verbs, articles, personal pronouns, modal verbs and basic sentence structure. For example, if you can build sentences like Ich esse einen Apfel or arbeitet heute, then your grammar is likely at A1 level. Test 4. Questions. There are basically two ways for asking a question. The first one is V-Fragen, another one is Gyan A1 Frage. So if you are able to understand or ask such questions, then you are at A1 level. For example, with V-Fragen the questions are Wo wohnst du, Wie alt bist du, or Was magst du beruflich? And for Gyan A1 Frage or yes-no questions such as Kommst du aus Indien or Hast du Zeit? Test 5. Listening. Try listening to slow German conversations. At A1 level, you should understand greetings, simple instructions, announcements, and basic questions. Even if you don't understand every word, you should catch the main idea, and that will be enough for the exam as well. Test 6. Reading. You should be able to understand short texts like simple messages, short emails, advertisements, short descriptions. For example, Hallo, ich heiße Anna, ich komme aus Berlin, ich arbeite in einer Firma. If you can understand this meaning, your reading is likely A1. Test 7. Writing. You should be able to write short sentences, a short introduction or a simple email. For example, Hallo Maria, wie geht es dir? Ich komme morgen nach Berlin. Viele Grüße, Rahul. Let's have a quick look at the A1 self checklist. So you are probably A1 level if you can introduce yourself, ask and answer simple questions, understand basic vocabulary, write short messages and can use simple grammar.
How was this video? I hope now you are having a master, particularly how to test your A1 level if you are doing it or if somebody is doing it at your home, friends or anyone. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.